Hi guys, it's Miss A. I am getting you guys started on our next assignment, which is going to be an online banking simulation. So you are going to have a Google Doc that is going to be attached to the assignment along with this video. And when you click on the Google Doc, you're going to see the page that is currently up. You'll see where it says interactive, navigate your own online bank account. It's got all that information up at the top. So if you see that, then you're into the right thing. Now there's a blue underline NGPF online bank simulation. That is an interactive button. It's a link to get you to that interactive account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Should see that pop up below. You can click on it. It'll take you to the simulation. And um, up at the top of the screen, I'm going to show you is a create a free account. It should be up in the top right corner. You're going to click on that, and I'm going to move us again to see where this box is right here. It gives you some questions, kind of like if you were to go into your own, to set up your own account online, to do online banking. They're going to ask you, like, set up a username, a password. Your address and city and state and stuff is going to populate. They're just going to give you a fake one to go with. So it's not going to let you change it. You're just going to go with it. But you also need to create security questions. So there's a question one, question two, and you can answer those. They give you a couple of different ones you can choose from. Make sure it's something you can remember. I would suggest for the very top, when you're doing your username and password, I would just put your student number for your username and student number for your password if it'll let you. Otherwise, do student number for username, and then your password could be your password like you log into the computers with the capital F and then HSD and then your student number. They're just ask for your first name. Like I said, you can answer the questions. They give you like a bunch of different ones you can go by, and you can just choose one that you know that you'll remember. Um, Same thing with question two. You're going to do that. They're going to be two different ones. You're going to answer those. And then I want you to click on for alerts. I want you guys to click on um, if the checking account drops below 200. Okay, mine populated because I've done it before. So um, we're going to click on that one so that it sends notifications. And I did that to myself for my own account so that I knew that. Um, let's see. I think the other one, if bill pays from checking account to checking account, let's see. I think that's it. The only one I really want us to be answering out of those, I think, is the checking or savings account falls below 200. Um, the rest of those, I think you're good. Then you'll hit submit, and it'll take you into the next screen. Um, so when you get into that screen, you'll see it. It'll look like an online simulator. And you're going to, sorry about that, you are going to go through and it's going to take you step by step through what you need to do. So it tells you, like, at the very top, the alert, what we just clicked on when we were going through and logging it or setting it up. They wanted us to do the checking and savings account falls below 200, and we just did that. Okay. So once you're already logged in, it's going to tell you like the first thing to do. In the upper right side, it says set the simulation date to January 17th and push go. And then navigate to account activity. And it's literally walking you step by step through it. As you're doing that, it'll answer or ask you questions. You go ahead and answer those to the best of your ability and submit it to me. So if you have any questions or any concerns or having issues with anything not pulling up or whatever, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email me, um, whatever you need. I'm here for you. So miss you guys and see you very soon on the next video. All right. Bye-bye.